Measles scare continues all across the country. Most cases are now connected to Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Already this year, talking to this point, to January 30th, doctors have seen more cases than in a full typical year. In 2000, measles was declared eradicated, and the ones who are sick now are people who are not vaccinated. One California doctor decided to not treat new patients without a measles vaccination. Fox 4's Sean Rapp in our Dallas newsroom with more. Sean.
Steve, the Centers for Disease Control says what's happening now is, quote, a real wake-up call to make sure measles doesn't get a foothold back in our country. Now, that California doctor pushing the medical envelope by refusing new patients, sick kids who don't have a measles vaccination. From Disneyland to the heartland, measles now spread to 14 states and 84 confirmed cases. California Pediatrician Dr. Charles Goodman on Facebook with some of his young patients raising eyebrows with a message he recently posted. Although I respect each person's free choice, I have a bigger responsibility to all of the patients I care for. Because of this, the office no longer who've decided not to immunize their children.
I can understand where he's coming from if he's seen epidemics of illnesses that we know can be prevented.
Dallas pediatrician Carol Gray says lots of parents, though, are concerned about the risks of vaccinations being greater than the benefit.
That's a conversation I have very commonly, and it's more with measles vaccine than any other vaccine.
The Centers for Disease Control says 90% of the people who get sick with measles get sick not because the vaccine isn't working, but because children aren't being vaccinated. That was true of the 2013 outbreak traced to a Northwest Tarrant County church, where an adult who traveled outside country came back sick. Almost all affected were not immunized.
I felt very comfortable immunizing my children and also having my grandchildren immunized.
And while Gray understands California Dr. Charles Goodman's thinking about not accepting new patients who haven't been immunized, she doesn't prescribe to it.
At this point, I will see children whose parents elect not to have them immunized. But I also, each visit, try to, again, give them the very positive points where maybe later on they will reconsider.
Now, 18 months ago, 2013, Texas had 27 measles cases. Again, 21 of those over in Tarrant County. This year, one in Tarrant County, a woman who traveled to India. Dallas counties reported no cases so far this year. Steve?
All right, Sean Rapp in our Dallas newsroom. Thank you.